Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Pentest Lab. This is the very first video for this channel, but I will try my best to assist you all in your learning journey. To start with today, I am going to show you a most common vulnerability which is known as information disclosure vulnerability, or you may call this vulnerability as a juicy info also. And this vulnerability is also in the list of OWASP issues. So I have mentioned the link in the description of this video, so you can scroll through this website and check what all this information contains on this website. So basically this website has been designed from portswigger.net. Portswigger has created another important software known as burp suite, which is used to capture the traffic from the website to server, so that we can check in any other video in any other session. But sticking up to the content now, so what we need to do is we just need to create an account on this website basically. So we need to navigate to this link, and this link is also mentioned in the description of the video. I'm not going to show you the registration process because that process is quite similar to registration on any other public website. You just need to have a valid email ID. You will get the all of the details to your email ID. You just need to register here. So let's see. I'm logging into the website, and now we have to access the lab. Basically, this website has been created to provide you a lab like actual environment where you can test your penetration testing skills. Basically, you cannot do penetration testing on any other website which are publicly hosted and which is owned by a specific organization. You need a specific permission from them. But then how to test and how to enhance your skills? So the answer is the SportsUger website. You can come here and you can enhance your skills by testing and practicing your skills here. Okay, so you can develop your skills, penetration testing skills here on this website. So basically they have provided many labs covering different vulnerabilities. So in this lab we are going to specifically see about this information disclosure vulnerability. So I'm pasting the link here, and this link has been pasted in this description of the video also. So here it is showing access the lab, and we can check the details also here, steps to solve, how to solve this lab. They have shown they have also informed about the vulnerability, how to find out that vulnerability, assuming that the user coming to this lab is a naive user. So they have explained this. So just to be practical, I will show you and show you all of the steps, how to access, how to discover this vulnerability. So let's try. So I will click on access the lab. So this lab link is opening. So basically this is a dynamic link. Every time you click on this access the lab link, so you will see a new link. That's why I am not pasting the link of this. So basically if you navigate through this website, so this is just appearing like a simple website where you can buy the products. So here you can see different category of the products have been listed. So basically it's appearing just like a normal website. So how to discover the vulnerability, how to find out the vulnerability? So that is the thing. So here comes the mind of the hacker, or you can say the mind of a penetration tester. So basically, if you have heard about the robots file is just basically created for search engines visibility. Robot files defines search engines, that which portion of the, or which web pages needed to be crawled and which web pages needed to be restricted, so they don't got crawled to the uh, Google index, so that they should not be publicly visible. Okay, so let's access this robots.txt file. So here you will see this is the robot.txt file. So user agent star means here all of the agents like Google, Yahoo, and other search engines are allowed to crawl this website. And what they have disallowed is the backup folder, backup web page. Okay, so they have disallowed this. So by this we definitely got to know that there is a folder, or there is a file structure in this website directory where a folder name backup exists. You can call this as a directory. This backup directory exists. So this is pretty sure. We are pretty sure that this backup directory exists. So now we need to access this backup directory to see what are all are the file contents of this backup directory. So now let's go back. So again, forward select. So this is also a form of another attack. You can call it as the directory traversal. So we are basically uh, traversing the directories of the website, different directories. So I will cover that topic in any other video. What is directory traversal attack? So sticking to the point here. So when we access this backup tab, so this backup file, we can see here a file here, product.template.java.back. So if you see this, so you can guess that this file has been made in Java language using Java. So now let's click what this file contains. So basically this is itself, it's a vulnerability. So this information should not be visible. So you can raise a issue for this also. Whenever you are testing any website, if you are able to see this type of directory structure openly accessible without any restriction, then you can raise a issue for straightforward. So let's access this file. So you can see that here is a lots of Java code here, which is specifically and clearly mentioning Java. So that's why I'm calling it as a juicy info. Okay. So let's traverse through the code. What is written? So it seems to be a database type of code, which is trying to build some connections with the database. So this code is trying to connect to the database. So if you see here, connection builder, and this is the PostgreSQL driver. So now we get information about another thing, that they are using PostgreSQL, okay, as their database. So this is the thing. This is the another juicy info. And if you see it here, it is being hosted on the port 5432. And if you try to guess this, you need a little bit of guessing work also. So this might be a username, and this might definitely be a password. So now we have a two three different information with us. So about the database, they are using PostgreSQL, and they are using the username also as Postgres, and they are definitely using some password which is written in the plain text. So this is definitely a huge issue, which should be urgently and fixed on priority basis. So you can definitely report this issue, that this is commonly visible on public domain. So this type of issues are of very high severity and high priority. So any any people with any malicious user with this details can easily breach into the data of the organization. So this is all about this vulnerability. And now to access, now to complete this lab, we have to copy this information, and we have to again go to the lab here. And here it is showing the lab session not solved. So we will submit the solution here. So you will paste the password here. So now it is showing lab as solved. So this, by this way, you have to solve your lab and it will show the status as a solved. So there are several other labs in this website. I will make you go through all of the labs in my other upcoming different videos. So stay tuned. Like obviously, if you subscribe to my channel, you will get notification about all of those videos which I'm going to create further. So okay, happy learning. Please like and subscribe, and share with your friends who also wants to know about this penetration testing. So thank you. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you.